It is an ancient Hebrews royalty culture that the queen of the kingdom of Israel is always the mother and not one of the king's wives or concubines. Our gospel reading this morning brought us today to the story of Jesus and his 12 disciples when they were traveling by land to Jerusalem. And while they were on their way, Jesus predicted his death. And while there were lots of people, there were 12 disciples and other people and maybe mothers as members of Christ's entourage. One of the women came to Jesus, the wife of Zebedee, or the mother of James and John, came to him and paid homage and was interceding for his two sons and said to Jesus, Jesus, by the way, said, what is it that you want? Then the mother said, if you rule in your kingdom, allow my two sons to sit, one on your left and other on your right. And Jesus said, woman, actually, you don't have any idea what you're asking. By the way, can you drink the cup that I gotta drink? And the woman said, yes, we can. And Jesus said, you may. Yes, you may, but it's my Father's choice. Whom he wants to sit on my left and on my right. And the rest of the disciples was mad. Okay, suko sila. And Jesus called him up. And Jesus said to them, if you want to be the great, you must serve, you must be the servant. And if you want to be the first, you must be the servant of all. Or you must be the last and the servant of all. So muna siya istorya sa Ebanghelyo. James and John's mother daring move was so amazing. Tungod kay this lady, her name was not even mentioned in the Bible. Kung unsay ngalan na ning asawa ni Zebedee. But I believe she's part of the entourage when Jesus was coming up to Jerusalem. So that means nga medyo nagpuyo gid sila sa ubos gid sa Jerusalem. Why it was emphasized that they were coming up to Jerusalem. And Jesus was not alone when he was going to Jerusalem, because by this time he was about to die and he was even predicting his death, that he will be handed to the Gentiles or to the rulers. He will be scourged, he will be beaten, and he will be condemned to death, and he will die. And while Jesus was telling about the story of his punishment, and he said that on the third day he will be resurrected and he will live. And the mother of James and John, or the wife of Zebedee, came to her. Okay? Naguna-una siya gidaan nga kung maghari na si Ginoong Hesus, kung maghimo na gid siya nga hari, nagyud dapat gyud nga posisyon ang iyang mga anak. Okay? Tungod kay it's a culture sa Israel nga kung kinsay king, ang queen dili asawa, kundi ang mama. Even like Solomon, di ba, when Bathsheba bowed to David. But when Solomon became the king, it was Solomon who bowed down to Bathsheba. And when the queen mother came to Solomon, said niya nag-ingkod siya sa iyang throne. Ingon si Solomon to Bathsheba, no? Ingon siya nga kuha ang iyang ingkuranan sa queen. And kumuwag to ta sa reference dani sa first king, no? It says there, when Bathsheba went to King Solomon to speak for him about Adonijah. The king stood up, met her, bowed down to her, and sat down on his throne. He had a throne brought for the king's mother, and she sat down at his right hand. I have one small request to make of you, she said. Do not refuse me. Ingon si Bathsheba sa king. Then the king replied, make it, mother. I will not refuse you. So, here comes the wife of somebody who was so bold, thinking Jesus cannot refuse her. Okay? Natuogin siya, dili siya maka-refuse. Tungod kay, kung mag-request siya ni Jesus as a mother, just like the queen, and Jesus the king, and she was thinking like, kung siya ang queen, ayan sa tunang-una, gani ba si mother of Jesus? It was Mary who is the mother of Jesus. So she came to Jesus and interceding for her two sons, James and John. Iya nga gidala. If you read carefully the gospel, she brought her two sons. Dili mga bata ang gagbayaw. The two disciples of Jesus. And she said, if you will reign, allow my two sons, James and John, to sit, one on your left and the other on your right. Iyon si Jesus, kaya ba mo ang suffering? Can you drink the cup that I gonna drink? Or can you go through the suffering that I have to go through? And they said yes. Kung tinuod man yun, that all the disciples died as a martyr, except John the beloved, John in Patmos, who was exiled in Patmos. He died in ripe old age. But all the rest, in fact, James died in Jerusalem. When he became the first bishop of Jerusalem, when he was, after na ni Christ, nangahimo na silang mga martyr, he went back to Jerusalem, and James died there. Si John, naala siya dito sa book, sa mga Chronicles of the Apostles, how they died. No? So they all died as a martyr, and indeed, they were able to drink the cup of Christ, o ang sacrifice ni Christ, ila yun nga na-share. Now, maybe, just maybe, at the back of mind of this lady, the wife of Zebedee, kay kung si Jesus good mamatay, if Jesus is the king, and the one who sits on his left and on his right will be the next king, so normally, she will be the queen mother. Iyan lagi calculate na ama. And Christ said, you don't have any idea what you are asking for. Siguro, just my personal opinion, if this lady went to Mary, kung ang actually, okay ba na iyang gipagayo, pero balik lang ang iyang approach. Nidiretso man si Jesus Christ. Kung nianto siya ni Mama Mary, o dito siya nag-intercede, ni Mama Mary, dito siya nag-beg, nga, Mama Mary, why don't you just, or kindly tell Jesus Christ that these two sons of mine, okay, will just sit on his left and his right when he will reign as a king. Remember, Christ or the kings, dili sila basta-basta maka-refuse sa queen mother or their mother because they, since birth, they used to honor their father and their mother. In fact, si Christ at the wedding in Cana, when they ran out of wine, Mary came to Jesus. They ran out of wine. Jesus said, woman, it's not yet my time. But what happened? He still obeyed. She cannot refuse the mother. Mao ni yung gibuhat ni Zebedee's wife. Pero mali lang siya, di ang to siya ni Christ diretso. Of course, Christ can refuse her because the wife of Zebedee is not the mother of Christ. The mother of Christ was Mary. Kung si Mary siguro dihanyo, basin. Siya man dihanyo diretso, pawang siya dayon. Kung nirawat siya dito ni Mary, si Mary yung isugo, pag si Christ, basin pa. No? Wala lang din nag-advise si Behana. Okay. So, others, that the rest of the disciples got mad with James and John. Jesus called them up. And Jesus said, if any one of you wants to be great among you, must be the servant. Okay. Here's the rule. Ingon si Christ. Here's the rule. You want to be the great? Kung mahimo ka gusto ba mo bantugan, if you want to sit at my right or at my left, that means if you want to be great, here's the clue. Tagaan na mong idea how to be the great. The road to greatness is this. Be the servant. Serve. You want to be the great? Serve all. Okay? You want to be the first? Be the last. Be the servant of all. May soon, maugin na ang estilo ni Christ. You don't have to be a powerful politician. Kung gusto ka may mong bantugan, if you want to be great in your lifetime, you don't have to have million and billion of pesos to buy votes and to be the politician. Buy votes, gila. And you don't have to be super rich to be a great man. Kung gusto ka may mong bantugan, simple lang kayo pamaagi di ay. Alagari ang mga tao na nakapalibot nimo. May mo ka bantugan sa ila. Pero kung mahimo ka bantugan sa syudad, alagari mo syudad. Kung gusto ka may mong bantugan sa nasod, alagari imong nasod. Kung mahimo kang bantugan sa tibuok kalibutan, do what Mother Teresa does. Serve and be the citizen of this world and serve the people of this world. Ano nga yun? Alagara mo sila. Bantay ka ng kuan? Kabantay ka sa leaders. Bantay ng mga quality sa mga good leaders. Andre lang simbahan, kanang mga onta. Diba? Mga on, party, natanan. Mabantayan nimo ang leader niya, kay ulahi gina mo kaon. Di na una-una. Kita ka mag-leader dito ka. Oh, unang linya dito. Unya ang ubang mga tao kay kaon. Wala gid, di ba? Usually, ang leader gibut-check sa kusina. Napay sudan diya, napay kanon. Ang soft drinks, okay pa? Sige. Paunahan na sa mga babae, mga. Di ba? That is servanthood, that is Christ-likeness. That is serving them to see to it that they are well provided. Even the father, ang mga papa, di ba? Usahay, wala ang mga papa baklay, di ba? Basta lang magkasakay ang mga anak, matagaan pa usahay, matagaan balon. Antos ang abahan. So, ingon si Christ, nga that is the road to greatness. If you want to be great, serve. If you want to be the first among the servants, okay? But the best of the best, the cream of the crop, if you want to be the first, kung gusto ka kami may mong una pa sa first, be the last. Kapuya na ng principle ni Christ, di ba? Be the last. Kaya ka na, dili na sa'yo doy. Sirok beta. Di, muna yung kanina mag-aon dito niya, mag-aon. Kataon na kayo, okay, ang mga dikod, ulahi lang yung mga dikod. Mga pare, ulahi. Pero ang mga asawa, tagduhang mong plato. Biliya dito, kani para sa ako, kani para sa umana. Una lang yung umana. Mangita yung pamagin. But my point is this. If you want to be great, nga dili mahasayang ba ang atong pagpangalagad sa God's kingdom? Namagutay ang tao ginagitay kinaiya seed of greatness, naman tay seed of Christ God kaning we have this kind the word of God ba? The seed of greatness is in us, na planted na magud sa ato. So, anugon ng mga lagad ka, kung mga lagad naman lang ka sa Ginoo, nindot po itong mahimo ka bantugan. Waon ta nangandoy gani mahimo tag bantugan kay para mahimo tag hambugiro, okay? We don't aspire for greatness for us to be so that we have something to be proud of, just to brag ourselves. No. Apostles, di ba? Because if you are serving the many, and if you want to be the last and if you have that characteristic of being the last and the servant of all, guys, my soul, it will just naturally follow that you will become great. Baliman, ang world system is for you to be the great, you must be the first. Diba? That's the principle of this world. You must be the first. Be first. And allow people to serve you, surround you. Diba? Pero unsa may last verse nato karon? Our last verse today is, the Son of Man did not come to serve but to be served, and to give His life as a ransom for many. Hinaot nga muna atong heart. We are here to serve one another. Christ demonstrated it in the upper room when He was breaking the bread, and He stopped and He took a towel. He took a towel and He took a pitcher and He washed the feet of His apostles. He illustrated to them the supreme act of all the servants. The supreme act of servanthood is serving them, loving them. And if we want to be the first, let us be the last. Kapag share ni Liumar yesterday, that the head, sometimes the head becomes the foundation. Instead nga naka sa taas, for you to concretize your being head or your leadership, you must be the foundation, naka sa ubos. So the foundation of greatness is servanthood. The foundation of being first becomes the last and the servant of all. Mauna ang servant side ni Christ. Though Christ is the supreme king, but He is also the supreme servant. Although hari siya, pero nangalagad siya sa tanan. Hinaot nga muna ang atong kasing-kasing as a deacon, as Christ follower, as Christ servant. Please stand.